Hello guys, how are you? My name is Sitaram. Today's live conversation, daily English speaking and daily explain. Start my daily points and today's my points very important and your life your secure your um, mm, knowledge and lively conversation. To start every today's topic, my topic is uh, tariff, and second is the direct indirect tax in India. Our third is very important the insurance, bank insurance, car insurance, and this the health insurance, life insurance is the very different full part and the speak and the conversation. Okay, start me. Is okay. Tax, direct tax is very important. India government collect me money the direct full um, public public sector, the food and transportation areas, the every and edge food as product and produce and and uh, and and food provide generally and minerals is the very hurtful and fuel gas every day and gas indhan already although although is very different parts in the speech. The start full direct tax is the very different full the online shopping, online book, online course and direct full direct full direct and car 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 buying is direct is tax and road national highway road tax direct tax is the very important and transportation areas sea and Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal sea areas transportation ship and direct tax provide me generally direct tax and direct tax generally provided me every person. Government is this money this development country and every person and and schooling schooling development and youth development and shall reach development and indirect takes cutting for the no government service direct full indirect tax cut and transportation by government bank is government bank through RBI bank, Bank of Reserve Bank of India, RBI bank through transportation indirect tax and the all India service indirect tax cut by public and two sector and only tariff is the very difference of parts and powerful country and your against your country developing country for tariff is the throw example for the Russia, America, China is through and export my foods and production food provide me transportation the tariff full one 5%, 50%, very hardful tariff, and the car transportation and production our countries and the very different food and success minerals and in Tamba cells is the very different hardful and tariff. Tariff is the biggest tariff and uh, oils, transportation, and drilling, drink for tariff. Tariff is Latin word. Tariff is the Latin word and core. Tariff is Latin word tax. Tax collect me other countries very useful tariffs word, and thus third is the very importance and proud me or you're very happy and generally this sense by other person the generally by and car insurance, bike insurance, life insurance, health insurance, your family insurance, and the very different part and the generally statement other advertisement, other successful man advertisement, and other big social media platform ad provide me and generally collect my money. The this is the very fraud by and India market biggest pool and study very helpful and condition and generally no decision by no decision everything and the biking transportation money and successfully our save for money and LIC is the very different part and the fraud your money successfully my family is the fraud money and one lakh rupees minimum is the other person is the very different and an example for and LIC money is the through by others companies linked and your money provide this your company and company profit is LIC company profit and company destroy and all member destroy each all member destroy is LIC destroys as the insurance is the very harmful and your money collect me bank and car insurance the fraud by very different part of first is the go by other countries is the very hurtful and the difference part of speech and very condition and our country is the very market and study for the every and each sector and first sector second sector third sector fourth sector is the very hurtful and government provide me money and our country is successful different so today is the my topic discuss first is direct indirect tax second tariff a third is insurance car insurance health insurance bank insurance life insurance family insurance and the very India's and the fraud working is the your save your this industry is very hurtful okay Okay, thank you. Take care.